Tired of just watching your crypto sit in your Coinbase wallet? Let's unlock the world of decentralized finance and put it to work using Uniswap. First, make sure you have the Coinbase Wallet app downloaded and set up. Open the app and tap the browser icon it looks like for squares typically located at the bottom. In the browser's address bar, type in app.uniswap.org. This will take you directly to the Uniswap interface. Next, you'll need to connect your Coinbase wallet. Look for a Connect Wallet button and tap it. A list of wallet options will appear. Select Coinbase Wallet from the list. Your Coinbase wallet will then prompt you to authorize the connection with Uniswap. Carefully review the permissions Uniswap is requesting, and if you're comfortable, tap Connect. Now that your wallet is connected, you can begin swapping tokens. In the From field, select the token you want to trade, like Ethereum. In the To field, choose the token you want to receive, such as DAI. Enter the amount of the From token you wish to exchange. Uniswap will automatically calculate the estimated amount of the To token you'll receive. Always double-check these figures. Once you're satisfied with the details, tap the Swap button. Your Coinbase wallet will then prompt you to confirm the transaction and gas fees. Review the gas fees carefully. Higher fees mean faster transaction processing. Then, tap Confirm in your Coinbase wallet to finalize the swap. Uniswap will display a transaction submitted message. It might take a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain. And that's it. You've successfully used Uniswap with your Coinbase wallet.